Hey foodies, thanks for watching. I want to show you how to make pecan brownies. I'm really excited to make this because I've never made pecan brownies before. And it starts by beating 225 grams of softened butter with 100 grams of brown sugar. We'll just scrape down the wall there. And we'll get that beating up. I'm going to scrape down the wall just to make sure it's all really well mixed. I love the smell of butter and sugar. Oh. There we go. And to that we want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 whole egg. We're going to beat that up. So I'm going to scrape down the walls one more time just to make sure it's nicely mixed. There we go. And to that, I'm going to add 70 grams of melted chocolate. I'm going to have to let that down. There we go. Let's switch hands. I'm just going to scrape it down off the wall, get it on that paddle. There we go. I'm going to mix this up. So I'm going to scrape down the walls one more time. I can see a little bit of the chocolate right at the very bottom that hasn't been mixed in. There we go. And to that, I want to add 55 grams of chopped up pecans, hence the name pecan brownies. A teaspoon of milk. I know, it doesn't sound like much. And then to our flour mixture, I want to mix in 3/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. We're going to add that as well. And I can't remember if I said it was 125 grams of gluten-free all-purpose flour. But there you go. That's the measurement of the flour. And we're going to mix this. So I beat this on high for a good 55 to 60 seconds, and I think it looks great. So we're going to scrape down the walls. Well, scrape down the paddle first, and then I'll scrape down the walls. Oh, it smells really good. Now I'm sure we could use walnuts instead of pecans, or hazelnuts. Hazelnuts would be really good. but I really like pecans. There we go. Scrape down this. Mmm. Now, I have a parchment paper lined baking pan, and we're going to scoop everything right into it. And then we're going to spread it out. There we go. So this is going to go into my preheated oven of 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes or until soft to the touch. Sorry, firm to the touch. Oh, they smell really good. So these took 25 minutes in my oven. Your oven might be a little bit hotter or cooler than mine, so do keep an eye on them. They might take closer to 30 minutes. They might be more like 22 minutes, so do check them. I let them cool completely, and I'm going to pull them out. There we go. I'll just set that over there. Let's take a nice slice. See what that looks like. Oh, look at the moisture in that. That looks so nice. Oh. I was going to take a bite, but I think I need to look at the bottom. It's nice and moist. Firm to the touch. Well, I'm going to just sink my teeth in. It's pillow-like. It's so light and fluffy and airy. Mmm. Mm-hmm. If you're looking for the recipe, you can visit GlutenFreeGuy.ca. You can also follow me on any of these social media websites. And coming up next is this. See you soon.